we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a look creating this bronzy kind of coralish look using the new Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I know it's been a while since I've posted any videos, but I'm back and I hope to be giving you guys some more great content. I got a lot more lighting. As you guys can see, I got some backdrop, so I'm trying to be a little bit more professional. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Please stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm going to be priming my face using the Kat Von D Lock-It Hydrating Primer. This is a great primer for those of you who have dry skin, just like me. It's so hydrating. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Stromboli. And I'm applying that with a Morphe sponge, which is a great dupe for the beauty blender, and it's a way more affordable price. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just going to be filling in my brows with it. Here I'm just setting the brows in place with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and I'm going to go back to the face and conceal with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I'm blending that all in with the same Morphe sponge. I actually have a little tip for you guys. If you guys find that your concealer is not blending in right, spray it with a little bit of like a Fix Plus, any setting spray, and it will blend out a little bit more smoother. Now to set my foundation and concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, one of my all-time favorites as well, and it's super known in the YouTube community. I very much so recommend this powder. I love it. I live for it. To bronze the face a little bit, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I actually lost a clip of me showing which shade I use, but it's actually the middle shade of the palette, the middle contour shade. For blush, I'm going to be using a MAC's Coppertone blush. It's a super pretty peachy bronzy blush, which is great for the summer. And I'm going to be setting my face with MAC's Fix Plus right before my highlight, just to make my highlight stand out a little bit more. That's a great tip for those of you who find that your highlight isn't standing out as much. And I'm using the BretmanRock and Morphe palette. I love this palette. I'm taking two of those shades. The shades are Vacation and Mahu, and you guys can see the highlight speaks for itself. It's so beautiful, and I am glowing with this highlight. I love it. Moving on to the star of the show for the eyes, we're taking Huda Beauty's Coral Obsession eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking that yellowy shade and applying it with a fluffy brush as my transition shade. Next, I'm taking this orangey corally shade, and it's a matte shade, and taking another fluffy brush and just layering that right on top of the transition shade. intensify the look a little bit, I'm taking this burnt orange shade and just applying that to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to also be bringing that in to the inner corner of my eyes, creating sort of like a halo-y effect. This is going to give a little bit more dimension to your eyeshadow look. And just make sure that you're blending the edges of the shadow just to make your look seamless. Now for the center, we're taking this duochrome shade which has little reflects of gold in it. It's a super pretty shade. In the light it looks different colors, so I think it's a great color for the center of the eye. It just brings attention to it. And I applied it with my finger at first, but for a more precise application I went in with a flat shader brush, and I'm taking a fluffy brush again and just making sure the edges are nice and blended. For the lower lash line, we're going to do exactly what we did with the top to the bottom as well. So starting off with that yellowy shade and moving on to the more corally burnt orange shades. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Azeredo Cosmetics lashes. These are in the style Legendary. These lashes are so beautiful and they're so affordable. I absolutely love them. I've used these and the Hollywood ones and I can't get enough of them. They're super easy to apply and you can tell that they're going to last a really long time. I do have a coupon code for them. If you guys want to maybe purchase them or are interested in it, you can just check out the website. I'm going to link it down below and I'll leave my coupon code as well. Now for mascara, I'm taking a Benefit's Roller Lash and I'm just applying that to my bottom lashes. Now last but not least, I'm going to be taking Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade Venus. And this is the completed look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys. Is this what we become? Strangers on the road.